Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to redirect a domain to another domain in Bluehost. Firstly, you can go directly to the Redirects Management page at Manage Directs on Bluehost. Go to bluehost.com and enter your credentials. Click Website from the left navigation menu or click the Hosting tab, then locate your package, then click Manage. On the website management screen, click Settings for the website you want to manage. In the top menu of Settings, click the Advanced tab, then scroll to the Redirect section and click on the Manage button. Click on Add Redirect. In the pop-up, fill out the fields, permanent and temporary. Then select the domain you want to redirect from. Now enter the destination URL and choose www.redirection option. Only redirect with www. Redirect with or without www. Or do not redirect. Then click Add Redirect to finish. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.